Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage user experience with Hotjar, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start managing user experience with Hotjar, you first need to create an account on the Hotjar website. Visit hotjar.com and click on the sign up button. Fill in your details to create your new account. Once your account is set up, log into the Hotjar dashboard. The first step is to install the Hotjar tracking code on your website. Navigate to the tracking section in your dashboard. You will find a tracking code snippet provided by Hotjar. Copy this code snippet to your clipboard. Next, go to your website's content management system or code editor. If you're using a CMS like WordPress, you can easily add the tracking code in your theme. For custom websites, paste the code just before the closing /head tag in your HTML document. After installing the tracking code, allow some time for Hotjar to start collecting data from your users. Now, let's explore heat maps. In the Hotjar dashboard, click on the Heat Maps tab. Here, you can create and customize heat maps for specific pages on your site. Choose a URL to analyze, and set the parameters for the heat map. You can select options like scrolling, clicks, and movement to understand user behavior. After configuring your heat map settings, click on Create Heat Map. Wait for a few hours or days to collect enough data, depending on your traffic. Once data is collected, review the heat maps generated to identify patterns and areas of interest. Next, let's move on to session recordings. Head to the Recordings section in the dashboard. Click on New Recording to set up a specific recording for a page or segment of users. You can filter by user attributes like behavior, location, or device type. After configuring your session recording settings, click Save. Hotjar will start capturing user sessions for the selected criteria. You can watch these recordings to gain insights into user interactions and behaviors on your site. Now let's utilize feedback polls and surveys. Navigate to the feedback section of Hotjar. Select either polls or surveys based on the feedback format you want. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.